Welcome to the biology class. So last time we were talking about the features of organisms, and we talked about Kingdom Prokaryote or Kingdom Monera, which is basically about the bacteria. Today we would move on with the Kingdom Protista, or you can say Kingdom Protoctista. Protoctista. So the kingdom is called Protoctista or Protista, but the organism would be called Protists or Protoctists. So not that big difference. So first of all, you need to know, I told you that apart from the kingdom Prokaryotes or kingdom Monera, all the other four kingdom Protista, fungi, kingdom Plantae, and animal kingdom, all four kingdoms contain organisms with cells that belong to the eukaryotic category. It means all four kingdoms have eukaryotic cells, and you know the definition of eukaryotic cells, they have nucleus. Okay. The kingdom Protista is the most diverse kingdom, diverse group of organisms included here. Okay. And all the organisms that do not exactly fit the definition of any other kingdom, any other eukaryotic kingdom, are put into the kingdom Protista. Okay. These organisms do not belong in any other kingdom, at least not by definition. All right. The thing is that I told you that all of these have eukaryotic cells. It means eukaryotic cells means that they would have nucleus and other membrane bound organelles. Some of them even have more than one nuclei. Another thing you need to know, that these some of them are unicellular. As you know what unicellular means. Uni means one and cell means cells. So their whole body is made up of single cell. Okay. For example, we talked about amoeba. Okay. Or Paramecium. These are very common and you can find them almost in every pond. Now, some of them can be simple multicellular. What does that mean? So multicellular organisms means that their body is made up of many cells. Okay. Organisms made of many cells. Right? But why did I say that they are simple multicellular? Although in terms of, like, when we talk about Protista, some of them might have multicellular bodies. But usually what happens is that even if they do have multicellular bodies, the cells do not like join together, usually do not make tissues. or organs, like proper tissues and proper organs. Okay, not always, at least. So their body might be made up of thousands, millions, billions of cells, but they do not go beyond, like they do not have proper tissues or organs or organ systems. Okay, so examples include kelps, also called seaweed, right? So or you can say giant seaweed. They even form underwater forest. And it's also used as food in many coastal areas, right? And they can do photosynthesis. So these giant kelps, they are basically algae, right? Usually, the protists have three major types. All right. Number one, the protozoa. The word zoa means, or zoon means animals. So they are like animal-like. They are animal-like protists, or they at least have some animal-like characteristics. Okay, Paramecium is one of them. I gave you the example of Paramecium. Amoeba is included in that. Even Plasmodium is included in that. All right, Plasmodium, which is malarial parasite, and it's spread by the bite of mosquitoes, right? Plasmodium, malarial parasite, is included in this category, animal-like protist. The second category is the plant-like protist. You can call them algae. Plant-like protists. Okay? Example, I just gave you kelps, right? That's the best example. So Spirogyra could be another example. Those are like ribbons. And then we have fungi-like protist. Okay? They have some fungi-like characteristics, but they are not 100%. They don't have all the fungi characteristics. That's why they are included here, right? Phytophthora infestans is one of the most notorious example that caused Irish famine. So that's an example. So that's all about Protista. The most famous protist, or you can say the most notorious protist, is the Plasmodium, right? That causes malaria. Okay, so please remember that. All right, let's just keep it here. Very short. That's all about protists. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want me to change anything, or any suggestions. All right, take care.